Bafana Bafana delivered a clinical and composed performance to book their spot in the COSAFA Cup final with a 3-1 triumph over Comoroso at the Kings Welitini Stadium on Friday. The result sets up a mouth-wavering showdown against the rampant Angola side, who crushed Madagascar 4-1 in the earlier semi-final. Coach Vela Khumalo's tactical tweaks paid immediate dividends, with just one change from the side that drew 0-0 against Mauritius. Orlando Pirates midfielder Gabriel Dlamini was restored to the starting lineup, placing Vuyo Letlapa in the injured room. South Africa started with intent and purpose, drawing first blood in just 8 minutes. A menacing delivery from Kamokhelo Sebelebele sowed panic in the Comoran defense, forcing Idris Mohamed to turn the ball into his own net under pressure. 6 minutes later, the lead was doubled. A pinpoint pass from Gabe Moralo split the Comoros defense, and Boitumelo Ratubane, representing Mamelodi Sundowns, finished with precision, finding the net via the inside of the post for his maiden goal of the tournament. Comoros refused to roll over and found a lifeline in the 30th minute through Ibrahim Madi, who timed his run for the pass to the far post perfectly before slotting a low strike past Bontle Molefe, the Kaizer Chiefs shotstopper. Despite the setback, Bafana Bafana remained composed. Dlamini nearly restored the 2-goal cushion before the break, his curling shot rattling the upright in what would have been a spectacular goal. Khumalo made strategic changes after the interval, introducing Letlapa and Masindi Nemjatela for Dlamini and Mduduzi Shabalala, while Comoros showed fight and pushed for an equalizer. South Africa's defensive unit, led by a resolute Stellenbosch FC core, stood all. The killer blow came in the 78th minute. A sloppy pass in Comoros' defensive third was pounced on by Sebelebele, who calmly slotted home to seal the result. The Coelacanth's evening went from bad to worse just 2 minutes later when Nomadin Asan received his matching orders for a second bookable offence, snuffing out any hopes of a late comeback. Khumalo rang the changes again in the closing stages, bringing on SuperSport United duo Yanda Mfolozi and Victor Lutswalo to see out the game, replacing Ratubane and Pusi Ditejane. The victory was a statement of intent from youthful Bafana Bafana side, brimming with energy and discipline. Congratulations to Bafana Bafana. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.